Alright, so what we can see here is my computer setup. This is my computer. I spent a lot on it. I got the white casing, got the fans up here, got my USB stuff right here, clear side. This is an NZXT case, as you can see. I decided to customize my own computer so that way I could edit some videos, play some video games, and I just really wanted a new computer, and this is my setup. So, as you can see here, I feel like I could have gotten the better core. I didn't really know what I was doing at the time when I was building my computer, but the person that recommended this to me said it was more than enough. i5, I know there's like i7s, i9s now. I'm pretty sure someone in the comment section will say something about that, but this is what I have right now. That's what I'm running in my computer. It works for me right now. Maybe I'll upgrade it out of all the parts here. I have the Samsung 500 gigabyte SSD hard drive. I decided to go for the 500 gigs because I felt like it was more than enough for what I was going to be doing. So that's what I have. I got 32 gigs of DDR RAM. I got this right here. I got 4 terabytes of hard drive space in addition to my 500 gigs of SSD. I have a lot of photos and videos and everything. I planned on editing videos actually, so that's why I got the 4 terabytes. I have about 17,000 pictures on my iPhone. My power supply, as you can see here, Thermaltake. If someone can help me out about power supplies and the differences between the power supplies, that'd be great. Maybe even let me know how good all this stuff is that I have. Got some quiet fans. I didn't want any loud ones. I didn't want any LED ones. Nothing over the top. I just wanted something to do the job, but something that didn't sound like a jet engine taking off. Got an MSI motherboard here. I didn't want to get like the most expensive one, but I wanted like a decent one. So this is what they recommended for me, and that's what I got. And it works amazing. I love it. And then over here, I got a GeForce 1070 Ti. I know this is pretty high up there in terms of graphics cards, but I know that they have GeForces that are over 2,000 now. I don't know the exact numbers, but this one works for me and does the job. I mean, my computer that I had before, this one that I built, it was like a 2009 HP, I think. It's in my closet somewhere. But it was time I had gotten a new computer because I needed a new one. I had a hard time of deciding between either building my own or going for a Mac, and I went for this one. So this is my setup right here. As you can see, Toshiba, Viper, Samsung, Intel, Thermaltake, Corsair, MSI, MSI, and an NZXT case, along with my Asus 27-inch monitor. Right now I don't really use the computer for that much. I have Adobe and everything, but the only video I'll really edit is probably this one. And I like my case. White's my favorite color. And this is just some of the stuff that I have inside of my house. Whole point of this channel is just to showcase different things that people have inside their house, whether it's good stuff like a computer or just random stuff that people want to get rid of. So this is my setup, and I'll have all the links to these products down on the bottom if any of them interest you, or you just want to see what they're all about. And catch you on the next video. Later.